This is end of week 4, and I've got most of the upper cabinet done. I haven't done anything else to the lower cabinet. I've still got quite a bit of work to do on it. I got to build drawer boxes and drawer fronts, sand the top, put a little route on the top, and some other odd and ends. But this thing's looking pretty good. I've got all the cubbies are finished. Well, I've got a little bit of minor work to do. I'll be putting, these cubbies will be removable should we ever decide to remove them. I don't know that we will, but if we do, they're removable. I'm going to end up taking some pieces. See, I've got some exposed screws right there. So I'm going to end up taking some pieces of 1/4-inch oak. This piece is too wide, but it'll go in there. One here, and one here. And that'll lock them all in to keep this from wobbling or anything. These don't wobble too bad because they have 2 supports. See how I did that? Just cut dados in them. These, on the other hand, these wobble. Well, right now they wobble, but when I get through with them, they won't, because they only have 1 support, and I've got some temporary support pieces in them now, but without those in there, they teeter, you know. But when I put those pieces of 1/4 in each one of those openings, that'll stop all that. I've got the center section finished. It'll be like it is. Have a look from the back. There's a view from the cubbies from the back. And this piece up here is just a temporary, it represents the top. I still have to build the top, which it'll be like this, with a wood nosing on it, like that, around 3 sides. And this is just have a look at the overhang. I'll have an 1-inch overhang here and 2 inches right here, because we're going to do some lighting, which is 2 18-inch LED strips. And I've got to cut a little notch right here for the wire to go down in, and drill a hole and mount the switch someplace. I don't know exactly what I'm up against right there, but I may end up going with a different option, but it'll be something like that. I still have to put the bead routes on the face frame like I did the lower over here. Those beads will be here, 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 and here. And I'm getting close to getting done. I've been sick, so I haven't had a lot of time to work. And sinus infections, it's a damn shame they only come 5 times a year. There will also be 2 doors right there that butt in the center, and 2 doors over there that butt in the center. I haven't got those built yet. They'll just be flat panel doors, something simple, 45 corners. And I may kind of get creative with the tops of the doors. I don't really know yet. Depends on what size I'm working with and things of that nature. So anyway, that's the progress for this week. Up next will be the time lapse, the second time lapse, which is just me. I don't know, I forget what I'm doing, but I've actually got about 20 time lapses shot so far. and I'm gonna try to get caught up and get them uploaded as I can. So, all right, we'll see you next week.